Wadika everyone.
สวัสดีค่ะ
Hi guys, welcome to the channel where I get to see everything and anything about Thailand. So, today we are finally watching the first EP of Love Upon a Time series featuring Nit and JJ guys. So, this is my most awaited series of the year. So, not this, another one is there, but yeah, this is my first most awaited series from this year. So, I'm pretty excited to watch the first episode, guys. We both are actually. She might not look like excited, but she is also excited, guys. So both are excited, guys. So let's without wasting any time, let's go and watch. Let's start watching the series, guys. Let's go.
Let's go. Finally, after a long time, we are getting a Net
Yes.
JJ series.
Yes. Oh my god.
Waited so long.
I did. I did. They were supposed to surprise him, and now he is surprising them. Hey, that is cute too. Ding 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 ding.
मैं भी करने वाली थी.
Oh my god, he didn't even change. He's eating his dinner in that wet outfit.
แท็กซี่ไม่ยอมมาส่ง
Don't care. He's just 20 years
20?
old.
ไม่เป็นไร
20?
เพื่อน เอาใหม่อย่าไปคิดมาก
2023.
วัน
They
เกิดทั้ง
said.
ที
Still, he is
มึงอ
older
ธิษฐาน
than
เลย
me
เพื่อนรัก
though.
Ah, okay,
อื
okay.
ม
So pretty, sweet mom.
अबे वो
Oh, that the days just gets worse. Yeah.
हाँ.
แน่ใจอ่ะ
Huh.
Ooh.
เฮ้ย
Bold, slay. Slay, diva, slay. Slay. His days keep on getting worse, worse, and worse. It's the worst day for him.
भाई कहाँ 12 बजे हमने शुरू किया था, पता है देखना। 12:40 हो रहा है और हमने देखा सिर्फ 8 मिनट।
चलो चलो चलो। His luck is so bad today, so bad. The unlucky day. Ee, Baba. एक बार स्टॉप करके चलाओ तो बहुत ग्लिच होके होके जा रहा है, रुक 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 के चल रहा है।
ตอนนี้ทันนะเว้ย
ऐसे रुक 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 रुक
क्या?
के चल रहा है, रुक रुक के चल रहा है पूरा। भाई मैं रो दूंगी, मैं खुद रो दूंगी भाई। ओ माय गॉड। एक इसका डे अनलकी है या हमारा, अब ये पता नहीं चल रहा है मुझे। Bro, guys, we started at 12 a.m. Okay, it's now 12:43.
12:45.
We have like watched 11 minutes. What the hell is wrong with us? The video is not going well. It's raining outside. Things are happening around us. What is this? Oh my god.
मेरी वॉशिंग मशीन भी चालू नहीं चल नहीं रही भाई। अभी मेरे को लगा कपड़े हो गए होंगे सुखाने की, देखा बीच में रुकी पड़ी है। मैं वापस चला के आई और फिर इतना जबरदस्त ना वो, मैं डर गई भाई क्या हो गया इसको।
Oh my god. मेरे को भी भाई पूरा भड़ा। चलो चलाओ
कि
चलो
नहीं?
चलाओ चलाओ भाई, खत्म करना है हमें। He's just so unlucky, so unlucky. I think net is going to come. Yes.
क्या हो रहा है? ओह इसका ब्रेसलेट मिल रहा है।
Hey, it was written something about Ayutthaya, no, in the car.
I think मुझे खेमजीरा वाइब्स क्यों आ रही है?
Because it is giving Khemjira vibes, bro.
Even the plot is giving खेमजीरा यार।
Lifetime,
Lovely
multiple
God.
lifetimes, bro. That was so Khemjira. Kimjira mein this scene happened during the ending of the like in the ending episodes, and this is happening in
अब आएगा नेट.
oh my god, Net JJ. You know what I'm much more excited about? Not this series. I'm much more excited to see the how the chemistry will go between Net and JJ. Firangi, Firangi, why Firangi,
ฝรั่ง
Farangi,
เศส
my
เหรอ
god. We
เมื่อ
have
กี้ผมพูดภาษาอังกฤ
so
ษ
similar things.
ฝรั่งคีขอนะ
Firangi,
เออ
Farangi,
Yeah.
oh
จะ
my
อะไรก็ช่าง
god.
Step to खेल रहा है भाई step.
Bro, this is India, bro. This can't be Thailand. Bhai, I don't believe this is shot in Thailand. What the fuck? देखा देखा सा लगता है ये सीन तो मुझे. Oh wow. Hmm. I love this thing. I love this stop motion thing. Whatever they have done with
I
that.
also love
เชี่ย
this.
This is so good. This is good. Good editing they have done.
Yeah.
เจ็บ
And it's
แต่ไม่ตื่น
funny. It's very
ไม่
funny.
ใช่
Yeah,
ความ
it's
ฝัน
giving a fun side to it.
Yes, yes. Oh shit, the hair. That's a mess, bro.
वही ना बाल खराब हो गए उसके बेचारे के.
My bro. Okay, now you need to stop, bro. My god. Oh, okay. He's gonna fall over here. What is that? Espresso? Hell is that?
हे भगवान.
Net will save him, of course. He can't swim.
ทะลุมิติมาอดีตจริงๆเหรอวะ งั้นมาได้ไง
So he's basically in coma in that world,
Maybe-
I guess.
Maybe.
อ่ะ
अब स्टाइल में एक बटन खुलेगा.
After Bed Friends, this is the second time I'm like watching him without a shirt. What, he was waiting there or something for him to come and save him? Okay. How? Why would you end it like this?
खत्म हो गया एपिसोड तब.
This. Deadpan Lord. Things were not this normal during those times, bro. You can't just show it like that. Then, how did you like the episode? The starting was kind of boring for me. I didn't like the starting.
नहीं मेरे लिए स्टार्टिंग ठीक था.
मतलब एकदम
But
starting वाला part was good, but in the middle, that college parts and everything, that thing, I didn't like it. I was feeling sleepy actually, but then again, when he time traveled, things got nice.
या आई वाज थिंकिंग कि थोड़ा टाइम ट्रैवल वाला पार्ट थोड़ा ज़्यादा रहता तो सही रहता एंड थोड़ी स्टोरी आगे बढ़ती तो.
I
बिकॉज
think
स्टोरी
because
कहीं बढ़ी ही नहीं है एक्चुअली.
it's in the same day, it's in the same spot, like the same thing. This is how Mandy works actually, I will say. Because we have seen things like this, like stuck in one place in so many series. So it's like it's how Mandy works. Like when we watched Dwang with you, we thought that we won't be watching the second episode, but now it's going very good. So we can get have good hopes for this one also.
या नेक्स्ट एपिसोड लाइक लाते
Yeah,
हैं किम
yeah,
आर
yeah.
कमिंग सून. आई
Yes,
थिंक
yes,
दैट
yes.
इट वुड बी
And
बेटर
I think they
बिकॉज ही
will
विल गेट टू नो.
and I think they will show how he time traveled in the later episodes of the series, like in
या
during the last some few episodes. So yeah, nice. I think it's going to be good because I'm not getting my hopes high right now only because I don't know how it will go, but still I think it will be good. I think so, and it's gonna be
Yeah,
funny
there was
comedy.
not much in episode 1, but yeah,
Yes,
it is still episode 1, so we can't say
like
anything.
if we can compare Mandy's things with GMM's, GMM always starts giving good
Mm,
contents from the first episode only. But Mandy is always like they build a good build up. They have a good build up first. Then they start giving the episodes, the contents that satisfy as such. Yes.
and in between the storytelling part, that is also very good. Something different
Yes.
from Kimchi,
Yes,
and I'm
yes, yes.
liking it.
The way he was thinking that stopping things, those I liked it. It's a new kind of
Mhm.
editing that they have done. Like, I won't say it's a new concept. I have seen these things, but
Yeah,
I didn't
yeah,
see in these kinds of dramas. So
yeah,
that's
yeah,
why.
yeah, yeah, right.
So, yes. So, do you want to say anything else or I should end the video?
Mm, it's
Okay.
fine. You can end.
Okay, so guys, thank you so much for watching the video, guys. And this was episode one from Love Upon a Time series. We do have good hopes from this next episode and from this series also. So let's see what happens in the next episodes. And if you like this video, don't forget to click on the thumbs up button, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're done with everything, wait for our next video. Until then, bye bye.
Bye bye.